Hey, it's Chelsea Chainsaw. Gay. Yeah, so it's me, Chelsea, who is in a lot of videos involving this woman who I am hacking. Yes. I don't know, I just felt like hacking her, and I have no hair. I wanted to also show that, but I'm gonna do that on my page. Um, so yeah. Whoever the hell you are, you should subscribe to this person. Cause like she's pretty freaking awesome and all. But like yeah. And you should also subscribe to me. Skittle XX Cupcakes with a Z. Um, yep. I have a lot of like weird videos and all, but like I'm gonna soon get a hookup to where I can actually make normal videos and stuff, not just off my webcam. And oh my god, I'm like talking about my channel on this chick's channel. Well, yeah. So I felt like hacking her. So, hey, bitch, what's up? Hey, how you doing? Yeah. Bye.